Listen, money doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care if you're tired, broke, or waiting for the right time. Money flows to those who understand it. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can control it instead of letting it control you. Part 1. Mindset Shift. The first step to making money is changing the way you think about it. Most people treat money like something rare, almost impossible to get. That's why they chase it their whole life. But the wealthy, they see money as a tool, not the goal and the tool. Once you understand this, you stop asking, how do I earn more? And start asking, how can I use what I already have to grow? And that's the game changer. Part 2, the rule of skills. Here's the truth. Your bank account is a mirror of your skills. If you're earning minimum wage, it's not because you're not working hard. It's because the market is paying for the skill level you have. If you want more money, upgrade your skills. Learn high-demand skills like digital marketing, coding, copywriting, sales. Remember this, every new skill you master is like unlocking a new level in the money game. Part 3, money multiplication. Saving money will keep you safe, but multiplying money will make you wealthy. Don't just let your money sit in the bank dying from inflation. Put it to work. That could mean investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, or even flipping products online. Your goal isn't just to earn and spend. Your goal is to make your money bring you more money, even while you sleep. That's how freedom is built. Part 4, long-term game. Here's the secret no one tells you. Real wealth isn't built in a month. It's built in years of smart, consistent action. If you stay disciplined, focus on building skills, multiplying money, and cutting bad habits. 5 years from now, you won't even recognize yourself. You'll look back and say, that's the moment I stopped being broke and started being unstoppable. So today I told you about shifting your money mindset, upgrading your skills, multiplying your income, and playing the long-term game. If this spoke to you, hit that subscribe button. Share this with someone who needs it, and remember, money doesn't wait. Why should you?
Yeah.